Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about bright living room design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. If you're looking to create a welcoming and refreshing atmosphere in your home, a bright and inviting living room may be just what you need. Bright living rooms are perfect for those who want to create a space that feels open, airy, and full of life. Here are some fresh and inviting bright living room design ideas that can help you achieve this look. First and foremost, a bright living room starts with a neutral color palette. Shades of white, beige, and gray are perfect for creating a clean and refreshing atmosphere. Use these colors for your walls, furniture, and decor, and add pops of color with bright accent pieces like throw pillows, rugs, and artwork. In addition to a neutral color palette, natural light is key for a bright and inviting living room. Make sure your windows are uncovered or have sheer curtains to let in as much natural light as possible. If you don't have many windows or your living room doesn't get much natural light, consider adding some artificial lighting, like floor lamps or table lamps, to brighten up the space. Another way to add brightness and freshness to your living room is by incorporating plants and greenery. Not only do plants add a pop of color and life to the space, but they also improve air quality and create a calming atmosphere. Lastly, keep the design of your living room simple and clutter-free. Stick to clean lines and minimalistic furniture to create a sense of openness and spaciousness. By keeping the space clutter-free, you allow the natural light and bright colors to be the focal point of the room. In conclusion, a bright and inviting living room is achievable with the right design elements. A neutral color palette, natural light, plants and greenery, and minimalistic design are key factors in creating a fresh and inviting space that will make you feel relaxed and happy in your home. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a bright living room design ideas. Thank you.